Welcome back to my spoken English series, practice series. And today, in this series, today I want to talk about my last videos. In the last videos, my I have fear of speaking in English and fear of camera. So I'm talking about that things. You can also see my last videos and clearly observe my confidence, my mistakes. In last videos, I made so many mistakes like sentence formation, grammar rules, and vocabs. I'm not using correct words for context again according to context, and so many mistakes are there. And I have fear of camera because before this series. Now I record this series. Before this, I never faced camera, so I fear of camera because all of these things I have very. I have to be nervous, and I am nervous. Not have to be. I am nervous, and my confidence level is here, so very low. And my voice, you can see my voice is very low, and I had many mistakes in speak in English, and I'm fear of also fear of speak in English because my mother language not is English. So this is happen, so many mistakes are there. And my I learned grammar rules, I think in 2015 when I was 12th standard. I was in 12th standard, so I forget everything about grammar rules. But I started speaking English and used up by English uh, from whatever things I read in English, whatever things I listen in English, and voices, YouTube videos, podcast, and so many vocabs are there, so many English sentences are there. So from all these things, I just started speaking English. So many mistakes are there, but I never stop it because if I thinking about my mistakes, so never I started. But and I think perfection is not important in starting. Progress is important. So if I think about perfection, I don't get started it. So if you are also learn English and spoken English, so please just start it and keep practice daily basis, because intelligent diligent is more smarter and important than intelligent person. So consistency is main key of success. And in this my English journey, you are also with me. I know you are with me, and watching me improve my English and help me. So thank you so much helping me. You think how you help me? You watch my videos, and after that comment my mistakes, what I mistakes do about sentence formation, grammar rules, and everything. And also talk about my confidence, because in last videos my confidence is very low. And I think compare if I compare last videos to today, so I think I feel better than yesterday. So it improving day by day, not quick. So it takes time, but practice makes man perfect. So this is true line. And thank you so much for helping me in improving my English and helping me with my English speaking journey. And if you also learn, please start it, keep learning, be confident, and just speak in English. Just start it, not think about nothing. Sorry, I am not convey my message properly, I know, but please understand me and support me. So thank you so much, and see you in next video.